let's cut the sleeve. So this is the remaining of my fabric, and this is what I'm supposed to use for the sleeve, but sorry, for the hand, but it's not enough. So I decided to change it to this Ankara and had this Ankara as the sleeve, because the one I used, that material won't be enough for the hand, and I don't want to be joining it. So I'm going to measure the length, like how long the hand should be, and that's 30 inches. And that is what I'm doing here, which I'm going to just trim and notch it there. I'm supposed to use chalk, but just take a look. Then I folded my Ankara into two. 30 divided by 2, that's 15. And that's what I'm going to mark in terms of the length of the hand. For some people, the length of this hand might be too long for them. You can decide to reduce the length of your own hand, the hand of the bag. You can make yours to be 25. You can make it to be 28, depending. You're going to see how long the 25 inches is for me, and you will decide if that is what you want to go with. So see what I've marked, that's 15. Now for how wide, I don't want the hand to be too wide, so I marked 2.5. But when you want to cut your own, mark 3, so that it will be easy for you to sew it. But for me, I use 2.5, and that's what I'm going to mark all through. So I'm going to do this twice, because you need 2 sleeves, you need 2 hands. So that's what I'm going to do. I just traced it down. Then I'm going to mark another 2.5. You will see, and another length, that's 15 inches. Now I divided it by 2, 30 by 2 gives me 15. So we have 2.5 here, 2.5, so that's double. So I'm going to cut it out, and you see. So after cutting, then we are going to sew, and I'm going to show you in the video how to sew as well. I want to recheck the length that I have. So just to remind you, that's 30 inches by 2.5. The second one too is 30 inches by 2.5. So there we go. Then I'm folding it like this to show you how we are going to sew it on the machine, and let's go. You see the way I'm going to raise it up to show you the hand. You see, so this is how my own will be, and you're going to join it. So let's go. So this is the sewing machine. Just take a look closely at how I'm going to fold the hand. So the 2 edges, you give it a tiny 1/2 inch fold inside and place it. So watch and repeat exactly what I am going to do. So this is it, and we folded it on each other. You see, I took 1/2 inch inside, 1/2 inch inside. Then I placed the 2 edges on top of each other, and I'm going to stitch it down. For those that will be using hand to sew, I'm going to show you a different way you are going to sew your sleeve, so that the stitching will not show outside and everything will be inside. So for those that are using hand, instead of you to cut 3 inches, you can cut probably like 3.5, so that it will be easy for you to turn it out. Yes, so I'll try to make a video on that one, and I'll show you. So look at what I'm doing, and I'll sew it down, all the way down. I decided to show this part again for those that didn't get how to fold it. So look closely, you sew it very neat and make it very nice, sewing the 2 edges together. And share pictures of what you've sewn.